Hi guys, coming to third section. Okay, before sections we have seen what is software testing, why a lot of members are preferring software testing, what is the use of software testing, and we know there are two types of testing. One is manual testing, another one is automation testing. We have seen why software testing is required. Okay, now coming, there are different types of principles in software testing. Okay, there are some types of principles. Okay, by these principles we are following. Okay, by these principles we are testing the application. By using these principles, we are testing the application. First, you can see testing shows the presence of defects. What testers do? Okay, what is the main purpose of testers? They need to check the application every time, and they need to find is there any possibilities of defects. Okay, that is the main finding the defects only testing person's role. Okay, you need to check different kinds of possibilities of software testing. Okay, different kinds of defects. Okay, they need to find, that is the main role of testers. What application is given, okay, they need to check all the possibilities at the application. If I am going to menu, okay, I am coming to, from menu onwards I am coming to home page, it is working or not, it is not working, why it is not working. Okay, this type of everything will be done by test engineers. That only, first only I have seen, I said thinking knowledge should be more main role in software testing. Whether any software job, the thinking knowledge should be high. Okay, they need to imagine. Okay, if I have using login. Okay, in that I have given some credentials. Okay, whether it is working. Okay, the application should work. You need to go to home page of your profile. Okay, whether I have given invalid credentials, the application should get some error messages. These types of way of thinking should required. Okay, that's only first one. Testing shows the presence of defects. By doing testing, by doing testing only we can find the defects. Okay, by doing testing only we can find the defects. Okay, not their absence. If defect is there in application, okay, the testers don't have any option to skip. Okay, they need to find, anyway they need to find. Okay, that's only, not their absence. Absence means if the bug is absent, okay, there is no possibility, there is no bugs, that's it. Okay, some bugs are appeared, he can't able to skip. Okay, this will be discussion done by with BA. Okay, they will discuss with client. The bug is done in this sprint. Okay, they will rectify that, otherwise it will go to deferred. In deferred means they will perform these bug details in next sprint. Okay, that is the first. While coming to exhaustive testing impossible. Exhaustive testing means like the possibilities of way of testings, like when the features are provided. Okay, if you are clicking this feature, okay, this will go to features menu. Okay, these type of things, this type of, if you see in WhatsApp, we have charts, status, I mean profile. These are appeared in your WhatsApp. Okay, if you are clicking charts, it should be appear. The charts will display in charts page. Okay, if you click on status, the status will be shown. By these type of tests will be done in exhaustive testing. By using exhaustive testing principles, we are testing this. Okay, earlier testing saves time and money. Yes, the client is provided. Okay, the BA is taken the project. Okay, before developer starts writing the code, we starts analyzing the application as per FRS document. By this analyzing, we can save the time. Okay, we can save time. The project is given for 1 year. Okay, you need to start earlier only. Okay, if you start 6 months, what happened? The project will be extended. Okay, For that reason, what happened? The time takes more, as well as the money expense more. Okay, we need to provide valuable time. Okay, we need to check earlier only. If we check earlier only, we can find. If you are buying a new mobile, okay, after 1 week the mobile gets damaged. Okay, you need to go with the mobile shop and you need to discuss with them and you need to provide some service. Okay, what happened on the time? You have warranty. Okay, it will be claimed. Otherwise, what happened? You need to pay the money. Okay, that is loss of pay, right, for you. The amount is loss for you. For that reason, same appears. Earlier testing says time. Earlier saving says time. The mobile phone is damaged in 1 week. Okay, if you take the mobile to next year to service center, what happened? The damage is more. Okay, for that the time taken is more. The 1 week time you have taken 1 year means it is loss of, right? You can't able to work with that. Okay, the money is more for that. Okay, if you have warranty, you can claim within the week. Otherwise, what happened? The warranty won't work. This same appeared for earlier testing. Okay, defect cluster. Defect cluster means, I can say, right, if the charts in WhatsApp, you have charts status. Okay, if you are clicking charts means the charts should be displayed. Okay, charts like Ramesh message, Suresh message, Karthik message. These messages should be appeared in charts. Okay, if this charts is not appeared, okay, if you are not getting any messages after clicking your charts, you are seeing empty. On the time, what happens? There is some issue in charts. Okay, the testers will identify and they will raise bug in some tools like Jira. This type of tools we have. Okay, different company, different projects, they will use different upon. Some companies use DevOps, some companies use Jira. It will depend upon the companies, depend upon the projects. Okay, after bug raising, the developers what happen? Developers will check the bug, as well as it will come to again testers. Testers will retest the application, and if it is working fine, the bug is closed. These things will be done in defect cluster together. Okay, beware of pesticide paradox. This is my, if the username is there. Okay, for username you need to use only alphabetic order. Okay, like Ramesh. Okay, it will be positive, means you will get success. Because why means you need to give only alphabetics. Okay, if you give an alphabetics means it is positive way. In username, they have given also mandatory, this box required only alphabetics. You know that alphabetics required, but if you provide numbers, what happens? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, you have given these types 1 2 3 4 5. What happened? It won't accept. Okay, these types of possibilities will be checked in pesticide paradox. Okay, testing is context dependent. Yeah, testing is context dependent. It will depend on the functions of the application. Okay, for every for every application, for every project, we have different kinds of functions. Okay, absence of errors. So last one, absence of errors is a false. Means there is no possibility of absence. Okay, that is what false means. Absence of errors. Absence of errors is falsy. Okay, it is not right. Okay, there is no possibility of absence of errors. Okay, error will be identified at every day-to-day life. Okay, day-to-day sprint. Different kinds of used by sprint. By the sprint, they need to clear all the defects, as well as they will go with another sprint. On that time, they can't able to retest these type of functions. Okay, there is no possibility of errors. Okay, before we are providing project to client, we need to check all the acknowledge are working, all the bugs as well as errors are cleared. These types we need to check carefully. Okay, we can't able to provide 100% error free, okay, bug free application to client. Okay, there is some minor, okay, there is some minor issues. This will be agreed by clients too. Okay, we can't able to keep high bugs, okay, major defects we can't able to keep. We can keep minor. For every application there is minor issues. Okay, if you are using sometimes the charts, okay, it won't work. Okay, like by you are clicking, the time taking is slow, it is some minor issue. Okay, if the charts is not displayed, it is major. Okay, but these types of issues, okay, we are, the client will agree with that. Okay, today we have seen software testing principles. Okay, in the entry also they will ask what are the principles of software testing. Okay, be with, study well, go through the website. If you are not perfect, go through, I have given detailing in itech.trt.com. Okay, if you have any issues, if you are not able to understand in this, you can contact this number. Okay, you can contact this number. If you have any issues, you can ping me, or otherwise you can mail to, this mail id. Okay, for any doubts and queries, you can follow me this. Okay, I will provide all the details. Okay, please WhatsApp here. Okay, don't do calls. Okay, I have a lot of works. Okay, I think you maybe understand, right? You can WhatsApp here. Okay, I will check with that. Okay, thank you.